It's recording. Nah, don't get it on me, nigga. You gotta start busting some moves.
Get up further back, nigga. Further back, further back. There you go, there you go.
Alright, come on. Start doing something. Shout out Love Boy TV. Whoa, niggas throwing back down.
You gotta skip. Like this. Back. No. You're doing it the wrong way.
What am I supposed to do?
Yeah. Hop forward that foot and fall back on those.
Wait, on the first one?
Hop forward with this foot, fall back on that one.
I'm gonna end up doing a Charlie Brown. I'm gonna end up doing a Charlie Brown, nigga.
Hop forward with this foot, fall back. Fall back.
Hold on. Oh, wait, hold on. Is that like...
Hop forward.
Shut up, don't say the same thing, nigga. Fuck Durkin, man. Fuck Durkin.
You said fuck Durkin, I say fuck him.
We just two-step around here, man. What the fuck you talking about, man?
We need a blow box or something, nigga. I'm gonna run up on an old lady and be like... Who you whistling at, nigga?